What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Got a really cool car in the garage today to work on. I'll take you through it here. So this is a early 80s Skyline. I think they made these from 81 to 86. So it's a R30 Skyline. Really awesome car. I really like this car. I met the customer at a car show, and he found out that I do paintless dent removal, so he has a couple issues he wanted to see if I can help him out with. So I'll take you through it here. You can see on his fender here, there's a pretty sharp dent kind of going up into that body line. And I don't know if you can see it here, but up on top, the paint is kind of hairline cracked. So we'll have to take that one slow, especially with this being like a 80s car with that paint. It gets really brittle, you know, over time. So we'll have to heat that up, take that slow. Hopefully we don't, you know, crack the paint any worse or open it up. And then over here on the quarter panel, I would say it's the driver's side, but since it's right hand side, this one's the passenger side. So on the quarter panel here, you can kind of see he has two pretty sharp out dents there. And I don't know if you can see this one. It's kind of like an outward dent crease up in there. So we'll have to, again, take them slow, heat them up, tap them down, and then down below he has a pretty good shot down there. So I think there might be a couple little dents or something on the other fender or hood or something like that. We'll walk around the car for him and clean everything up. But I'm excited to work on this one. I like this car. So we'll again take you through the process here and then see how it works out. Might have to take this headlight out, so we'll just go through it here and hopefully we can make this car look good for him. Alright, I thought I was going to have to take the headlight out on this, but we're not going to have to do that. There's actually pretty good access in here. What I'm going to use is these couple different size ultra dent tools, just with a little bend at the end, rubber tip on there to start with. We can slide in here nice and easy and touch the dent and have plenty of leverage to press off of here. So should be fine. We'll start off by, again, heating it up. We'll get the heat gun on there, heat it up, start tapping the little high spot on top just to kind of, again, release that pressure. And then we'll keep heating it, take it slow with the rubber tips. Once we get most of the deepness out, we'll take the tip off and then get in there with the metal tips or even like a plastic tip and start working it, fine-tuning it that way. So let's get started. All right, that came out really good. I'm happy with the results with that one. I was a little concerned when I started working it, that center was really, really deep. So I was concerned about that paint opening up or cracking, and just heated it up. The metal worked really nice. I'll take you through here. But the metal was really nice to work. Paint held up, no problem. See if I could zoom in here for you. So yeah, it came out really nice. I'm happy with that one. So now we'll move on to that quarter panel, start heating that up and tapping down those high spots for them. All right, we're gonna get started on the quarter panel here. Again, we're gonna heat this up while we work it. You can see, let me try to zoom in here. I don't know if you can see the paint. Again, is like kind of hairline cracked. They're pretty sharp coming out. So we're gonna heat them up, just tap them down nice and slow. Again, when you're tapping, you don't want to really crank that down. It almost makes you feel like you just want to hit it down in one hit, but just go very slow, just knock it down a little bit at a time. That way, again, you won't cause more work for yourself getting low spots and trying to like work those low spots back out, like fine tuning it. So if you just take it nice and slow, it should tap down nicely. So we'll get going here. We got the heat gun ready to go, heat it up, and then grab our hammer and tap down and get started. All right, we're all set on this one. Everything came out good. You should be really happy with it. Fender came out nicely. Even the quarter panel over here, everything came out nice on that. We went around it too. I did a couple more on the fender, did something on the trunk, did this fender over here and on top of the hood. So, came out nice. So we'll do a little montage of before and afters, and hope you like the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.